What's up YouTube? JP here with JP Street and Performance. Today we're going to be installing this windscreen on the 2022 Indian Challenger. This is an 11-inch KLOCK WERKS Batwing windshield. I got this from a good buddy of mine for free. Thank you, Danny. We're going to show you guys how to install this. You have to forgive the audio. I screwed up. So we're going to go ahead and get this video rolling for you guys and give you a step-by-step instruction. Thanks. Alright, so you're going to want to start with going ahead and powering up your bike. You're going to go ahead and lift your factory windscreen all the way to the up position. Go ahead and power the bike back down. We'll move around to the front here. You'll notice on the front that there are 5 Allen keys. I believe they're a 5mm Allen. You'll want to go ahead and remove these. Okay, a little trick here is to use your Allen key, place it through the hole, and there'll be these flat washers with a built-in nut. You can use the end of the Allen key through the hole and then go through the threads of that nut and then kind of manipulate it upwards so you can just grab it with your fingers and slide that nut off so it doesn't drop down into the cowl. All right, you're going to place your new windscreen, whether it be a large one like this or a shorty. You're going to reuse the same 5 holes, carefully placing those flat washers on the back side. And you'll see it's very self-explanatory. You'll see where they go and how they should be set in there. But what you want to do is want to get one on each side started so you don't have to try to hold up the windscreen like I'm doing here. I'm putting one in and then I'll move around to the other side and put the other in. So I'm placing the second one. The biggest thing you want to remember on installing one of these windscreens is you want to get all 5 of the Allen bolts started without tightening any of them. Because they'll be slightly off because the window is concaved. You need to kind of get them all lined up at the exact same time. So, very important. So you want to go ahead and tighten all the bolts down gently in a cross pattern across the windshield, making sure they're all lined up. You'll see they have a little collar on the Allen bolts. You want to make sure those collars are sitting directly in the holes of the windscreen. Once you get them all finger tight, you can go ahead and snug them down. Do not over tighten them because you will crack these things. So just snug enough to keep them on there. Kind of use your judgment on it. But yeah. Go ahead and go back around to the other side of the bike, power it back on, roll the windscreen back down, just to make sure everything clears and you have no binding. Well, there you guys go. As you can see, superb coverage. Really will help deflect the air on long rides. This is probably not a windshield I'll be running around town with, but I will definitely, with how easy you guys saw it, will definitely be using this for longer trips. We'll go ahead and move the camera over here one more time and just kind of get an overall coverage look with someone on the bike. Of course, I'm short, I'm only 5'7", but as you can see, just even with it in the full down position, I mean, that air is going to go right over the top there. So again, guys, don't be afraid to do this stuff yourself. Super easy install. You can buy 2-3 different screens and just cycle through the screens. Have one for going to events, have one for long travel, have your clear one for night riding. All right, guys, thanks for watching JP Street and Performance. Stay tuned until the next video.